Today, I am here to explain you about my project Online Library Management System. An online library management system is a digital platform that helps to manage the daily operations of a library. It allows users to borrow or return them and keep the track of due dates, all through a website or application. Librarians can easily manage book inventory, user records, and issue or return books using the system. It saves time, reduces manual work, and makes library services more efficient and accessible. Now, let us move to the Visual Studio Code, where our project frontend is present. Now, go to the terminal and type the command cd space library underscore application. By typing this command, we can go to the library application directory. After going to the directory, type the command and execute the command ng serve. By executing that, we can see a link provided. So click on control and plus click on the link. We can clearly see that the library management system login page is displayed. There are two modes of users. One is admin and second one is user. So there is also an authentication. Only the user or admin can access this, but unauthorized people cannot access the library management system. Now let us see the admin's profile. After entering the email and password, click on the login. The admin can access all the records in the library management system. Like example, book list, add book, user list, etc. The admin can add the user list by using user ID, name, email, password, user type, and available. And the admin can also see the overdues and the users by book name and all lended books. Now, the second one is users login. Now, let us see the users login. The users login is displayed. The user can access only some of the records. Like example, book lists, issued book list, overdue list, and borrowed books. Okay, the user can access the borrowed books by using the book ID, book name, etc. And also borrow the books from the library management system by using the book ID, book name, and by filling the issue date and return date. Now, to connect the database with frontend, we need to use backend. So, we should connect the backend with the frontend. Now, let us move to the Eclipse IDE Enterprise version. Here, we can clearly see the library management system is the backend of the our project. Now, right click on that and click on Run As and click on Spring Boot app. My application is already running, so I did not perform it. Now, we shall see some of the commands in the admin login page. Okay, admin can access the list and also can delete the list. By connecting this to the database, we can clearly observe that the any updates made in this can also be visible in the database. Now, let us see what the admin can do. Admin can add the user by using user ID, name, email, etc. And also, admin can access the borrowed books by using the user ID. Let us see the example. I am using the user 11 or 13. We can clearly see that the user can access the We can see that the what the books have been borrowed by the user by using user ID. Okay, by using the user name, book name, we can see who have been borrowed uh, the books of that specified book. Now let us go to the book list. Now let us take the month. After submitting, you can clearly see that the three users have taken the book the month. We can also see the overdues and also user book name and all lended books. Now we can perform search operations by using user book name to find the user and user book by using user ID and borrow book also using user ID. So to connect the database, we should use MySQL. So we can clearly see that our library management system is visible. Here the tables are in the tables. We can see the books list. These are the book list in the front end and the books lended. And these are the books lended and the return date and issue date and the user ID. And we can see that the Hibnet sequence and we can see that the users who are present. Uh, So we can delete any user or any book. For example, let us take the book list and delete the seventh one. Delete. After deleting it, let us see in the database. Let us go to the book and refresh the page. We can clearly see that the seventh one, the Batman book has been deleted. So we can perform various operations on this and also we can access the user list and delete if they are inactive. Admin can also add the user. Let us add any sample user. Here the user types use the role. The user type 0 gives the only the user access and 1 gives the admin access and giving the role 0 and make the available true and submit. We can clearly observe that the push user has been added to it. Now, the conclusion is the online library management system makes it easier to manage library. So, it is useful in many ways. By keeping track of books, users, issuing and returning of books, it saves time, reduces errors, and helps both users and librarians to work more efficiently. This system is easy to use and can be improved in the future as needed. Thank you.